The brand new bot menu feature of OnlyTG Echo is now live. Custom menu buttons can now be displayed directly below the bot input field. Bot users can quickly get help or guidance through these buttons, which reduces the difficulty of using the bot and provides users with a better experience. So how do you set up the bot menu? First, you need to create a bot and link it to OnlyTG Echo. For a detailed tutorial, please refer to our previous video, Create Bot, and I will put the link in the comments. Now go to your bot, start it, or send the start command, then select chat setting. Click bot menu here to enter the configuration interface. There are two buttons here, the plus button for adding a button and the plus row for adding a new row. First click plus button to add a button, enter a name for it, such as feature overview, and send it. After sending, you will see the button appear both in the bot menu section and below the input field. However, the button below the input field has no actual function yet. When users click it, it only automatically sends the button name. We need to configure the corresponding React message for this button. Click the button you have added in the bot menu section, then click Add New Message to set up the React message content. After clicking, you can directly enter the text content. Please note that the menu buttons will be hidden when typing in the input box. Simply click the button on the right to restore them. Send the text, a success message will pop up, and a check mark next to the text button means the setup is complete. You can then configure media and button content for the React message. Click Media, and you can reply a picture, video, round video, voice, GIF, sticker, or file. Please note that if you upload a round video or a sticker, the text and button parts of this message will not be displayed. Media configuration is finished. Click Button. Enter the content according to the format in the prompt. You can also copy the example to the input box and edit it. For example, if I want only one button, I will keep just one line, change button 1 to my preferred button name, and replace the link with my own. Send it after editing. The button update is successful. This React message content is now fully configured. If you are not satisfied with a message containing only one media item, you can click Switch to Multimedia button to switch to a multimedia message format. Please note that buttons cannot be added after switching to multimedia mode. Or, if you want to use the preset module as the message content, you can click Use Module button. After completing all settings, click the Preview this message button to preview the message. Repeat the steps above to add multiple React messages, which will be sent in sequence. Each menu button can be configured with up to 5 React messages. When you need to change the name of the menu button, click the Edit Menu Button Name button and enter the new name. If you no longer want this menu button, click Delete this menu button. That is the complete configuration process for a menu button. You can continue adding buttons on the same row, or click plus row to add a new row of buttons. Set it up any way you like. Now let's check the effect. When using your bot, they will see these menu buttons right below the input field, and they can get an instant reply by clicking them. Go ahead and set up the bot menu for your bot too. We are OnlyTG, with more practical features to help you build your bot. Follow us for the latest updates.